when it comes in, we want to find out where she is in her cycle. Is she in premenopause, perimenopause, menopause? We want to get an idea of all of those, and with her blood work, we want to know what day of her cycle that she's on, if she's still cycling. We want to know what day is it, because then that, the cycle, the hormones fluctuate quite a bit during the cycle. But if we know what day on, we can know about where it's supposed to be. Right? So from there, we would decide what hormones do we need. Do we need just testosterone? Do we need testosterone and estradiol? Do we need testosterone, estradiol, and progesterone? And then once we get that established, then we'll put her on whatever that protocol is. And then it's similar to, let's see how you react. It's a game of adjustments. Let's see, do you need, and especially if you're on testosterone, estradiol, and progesterone, like sometimes we have to find the balance of all three of those, and everybody's a little different. So we gotta make the adjustments until we yield the best results.
In what forms do those come in? Those three compounds.
So we recommend everybody take injections. Injections are the best absorbed, especially the testosterone and estradiol have esters that allow us to stabilize the levels. They become kind of slow acting, if you will. The half-life is longer, so now we can stabilize your levels at the level. With some of the other routes of administration, they're so fast acting that within one day they just spike and go down. So you have to take them twice a day, and it's a little hard. There could be some fluctuation problems. With the injectables, they absorb 100%. The transdermals, the pills, the patches don't absorb as well. So so we recommend injectables. If we have to go to something else because the person just can't take injections, then we can use creams, but we do the creams twice a day. You do the creams twice a day so that we can kind of stabilize the levels as much as possible. But there's other routes of administration we can use. We just recommend the injections.